Hey there, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And today we are unboxing the November 2025 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back. I am so grateful you decided to join me on the unboxing of the November 2025 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop, especially since it's Thanksgiving tonight. I hope you guys have all had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and families. It has been a very gratifying year with so many blessings. And I want to also take advantage of this moment to tell you I really appreciate you following me here on my channel. It means the world to me that you are here. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. It's so great to have you a part of the Quilting Camper. You'll find I do unboxings like this one every single month. Sometimes I do unboxing specials like the FabFitFun box, maybe some fun appliances that I think you might like to have around your house to enhance your lifestyle and your crafting spaces. I also like to feature nature hikes and things that I do when I go camping. Of course, now it's winter, so we're not camping very much, but I still go on hikes. And so you'll see I do video shorts of my adventures, things that I like to do that I want to share with you. And this channel is all about sharing, because sharing means that we love each other, and that's what makes a difference. Can you believe it's almost December? And I'm still in my fall set here because it's technically fall and it's Thanksgiving. But I kept thinking, should I make it Christmas yet? I think in the next video you're going to find that I will have a Christmas backdrop. But I love fall so much I don't want to let it go. How many of you love fall? Is it your favorite season of the year? Please leave a comment below and share and let me know. It would be great to hear from you. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of the Fat Quarter Shop November 2025 Sew Sampler. I just want to remind you guys that I pay for all my Sew Sampler boxes. This is not a sponsored video. This month was okay. I always try to speak very positively about these boxes. The items in here are items that I want, but they're items that I have. One of the items in here was already featured in one of the original boxes that I got back in 2019. And the other item in here was featured recently in a different color. But you know what? You can always have two of them, and you will find out what it is very soon. So this month's theme is Winter Orchard. Appropriate. It's going to snow about 7 to 8 inches in Wisconsin on Saturdays. I do think we are in winter, even though it's still fall. I was so hoping no snow until January. Oh well, it'll be interesting to find out. And every box features this awesome pamphlet that tells you what's inside your box. It is so well done. It tells you the prices and the descriptions. And yes, I will read those descriptions to you and I will mess up every single time. Oh, and on the back side here, we've got some promotions. And it looks like if you subscribe to Sew Sampler, you get a special sampler savings by receiving 25% off on one or more Jolly Bar books with a $30 purchase or more. Well, as it turns out, you guys, it is Black Friday weekend, and they are running a 25% off of your entire order, or is it 20%? It's something like that. So I placed an order tonight, and I will do a featured unboxing of that order. I don't really need that coupon in here since they're doing a Black Friday promotion. And I do own most of the Jolly Bar books, and they are awesome. So much fun. You also get two really cool patterns in here. So if you want to like do an alternative pattern to whatever the pattern is in this box, you have some choices. The first item in this box is Diagonal Seam Tape by Cluck Cluck Sew, valued at $6.98. Draw the line at marking fabric and let Diagonal Seam Tape by Cluck Cluck Sew do the work instead. With 3 1/4 inch line markings, simply align the center line with your needle to apply and use them as guides to sew half square triangles, flying geese, or more without drawing any lines. The strong yet thin tape is secure when you need it and lifts away easily when you're finished. With 10 yards per roll, it will last quilt after quilt and keep your seams on the straight and narrow. 1/4 to be exact. This is a phenomenal product. It was featured in my 2019 box, my very first one, September 2019. And as you know, if you go back to my older videos, I did a really cool video where I unboxed 24 boxes of Sew Sampler, and that was a featured product that ended up in the fan favorites video. which is right here. Make sure you check that out. The reason why this is really great is when you're sewing on your machine, it's really hard to figure out where your 1/4 inch is on either side, to the right of the needle and to the left of the needle. Now, if you use a 1/4 inch foot that has appropriate measurements on the foot, then you can use that as a guide. However, our eyes kind of wander sometimes when we're doing straight seaming. With the stitch tape, you can actually extend it from the throat plate to the front of your machine, and you can have that consistent line so you're always guiding in the right place. The other wonderful thing is that if you sew at a scant of a 1/4 inch, you can set this up as a scant to really help you navigate better, because a lot of our sewing feet do not support a scant of a 1/4 inch. It's a great product. It's like washi tape. It's easy to remove. When you're done with it, you get 10 yards like it says. So much, and now I have a second roll. Love it. The second item in this box is one of my favorite items, but it's also an item I have 2 of already. So let's go for a third. 4-inch small perfect scissors by Karen K. Buckley. A value at $23.48. Okay, you guys, I bought a pair of these for $16 at a quilt show this past September. I went online and I checked. They average somewhere between $16 and $20. So $23.48 seems a little high for this, but you know what? They are high quality scissors. I'm not going to downplay that. I love them because I love the color, the Quilting Camper green. And that's why I bought a second pair, because we've had this item in a previous box in a turquoise color. Comfy, bright, and sharp to the last snip. The perfect scissors by Karen K. Buckley are a must for precision cutting. This lime green 4-inch scissors features soft handles and micro serrated blades that keep fabric from slipping, prevent fraying edges, and give you clean, accurate cuts every time. A busy bee's best friend. They're perfect for tidying up all the half-square triangles in this month's quilt pattern. I love these scissors. And you know what? There's only 2 notions in this box. It doesn't quite feel like a full Sew Sampler box, but I think the fabric takes care of that. The next item in this box is the Flowering Quilt-Along block number 8, a value at $4.98. This month's flowering quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as the sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you missed one, all flowering quilt block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. Now the pattern in this box is exclusive to Sew Sampler subscribers. Orange Blossoms Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. A value at $9.98. Stitch up something sweet with the Orange Blossoms Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. This design uses a simple mix of squares and half-square triangles to create a dizzying, dancing field of blooms. Pair it with the Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake and let these colors blossom beautifully across every block. With its wild charm and honey-eyed hues, this pattern is sure to bring out the sweetest stitches. The patterns in these boxes are bar none some of the best patterns you'll ever get in a subscription box. Fat Quarter Shop figures all of that out and they write easy to read patterns. Because it's a pattern that's exclusive to the box, I can't show you the inside of the pattern. But on the back, it makes sure that you know what you need for background fabric, binding, and backing. I just love how they do their patterns. And even though I may not want to use this pattern, I always keep it safe where I can share with friends and family or somebody they know that wants a really good pattern. And of course, as I like to say, la pièce de résistance. This is what makes this box exciting to me. I know I have said this before because I'm a fanboy of Layla Boutique Vanessa Gertzen. She is amazing. She has some of my favorite fabric patterns of all time. And not only that, she is the sweetest person when you get to meet her. Unbelievable. I'm excited that Layla Boutique has some fabric in this month's box. Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake by Layla Boutique for Moda Fabrics, a value of $27.98. Sweet as a bee, the Orange Blossoms Wild Honey Junior Layer Cake is buzzing with charm. Designed by Layla Boutique, this collection mixes sweet florals, orderly honeycomb prints, and darling text across shades of pink, orange, green, and a touch of sky blue. Each 10-inch square in this 24-piece pre-cut is a honey sweet touch of charm, ready to make your next project bloom. Pair it with the Orange Blossoms quilt pattern included in this month's box to create a quilt that's positively be-lightful. They like that be-lightful. And I'm going to show you the pattern right here. So what do you guys think? Was this winter orchard box amazing for the holiday season? I think the pattern of the fabric gets me excited, and I would definitely buy these scissors because I have, so I can't say I don't like them. And of course I have another roll of the diagonal seam tape, and of course the two cute patterns. The box this month came to $74.40. Not too bad for a box that cost me $29 plus tax and shipping, so somewhere around $36 here in Wisconsin. I would love it if you could leave a comment below. What are your favorite pair of scissors to cut your fabric? I know I like Kai scissors very much. I definitely love Karen K. Buckley's. I have a couple sizes of her scissors. I'd love to hear from you guys. One of the greatest things about having this YouTube channel is making new friends, meeting new people. Some of you guys I now know outside of my YouTube channel, and I think that's awesome. For the holiday season, I've decided to make a couple of unique unboxing videos. I'm not going to tell you what they are, I'm just going to surprise you, and I'm excited to share that with you. I'm also trying very hard if I want to do a blooper reel video like I did last year. So let me know if you'd like me to make a blooper reel video for 2025, and I will if I see a couple comments below. Alright you guys, I want to wish you a very blessed Thanksgiving, and please be safe on the shopping weekend, and right into Advent, Christmas season, the Hanukkah season, Kwanzaa, and then the New Year. Please know that I'm thinking about you through this time, and I love you all so very much. If you love what you saw today, give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. I was right back in. Sometimes the southern accent comes out, and I'm not from the south, but it just happens. I don't even have to try. It just comes right out. It's so funny. 25. Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. I'm waiting for the punchline. There isn't one. The November 2025. Oh, another blooper. Okay. Everything that's on the box. I think I wanted to say in. 25% off one or more Jolly Bar books with a $30 order or more. With a $30 order or more. Was this Winter Orchard awesome? Is that what it's called? Winter Orchard? It's Winter Orchard. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.